What does a flashing red and green actually mean on your Makita charger? Well, if you insert the battery and you make sure first that this is flashing green, that means the charger is ready for a battery. So let's insert the battery. And let's say this started flashing red and green, not just red like this. What could happen is that you've not seated the battery completely into the charger, so make sure you press it down, make sure it's seated proper. If you're still getting that problem, make sure all these terminals are nice and clean. Make sure the terminals here are clean, because what the red and green actually means is that the battery is defected. So if you've checked that the terminals are clean, these terminals are clean, and you're still getting a red and green flashing light, try a different charger. If that doesn't work, the battery will be defected. So that's what the red and green light means on your Makita charger. Hopefully this helps you out and you get your battery sorted. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.